Okay, here's another Show.ZStore package I received, and just want to share my experience with them and unpackaging of what's in here. So I noted right here on 7/12 I pre-ordered it, and when it said incoming, and on 7/19 it became in stock. I was carefully paying attention to how many days before it shipped. So in 2 days actually it shipped, and then from here it just took 7 days for me to get it. So that's yeah, this is really another great experience in terms of how quickly I get my package. So I'm actually having some good experience with Show.ZStore now, like some other people are. So now, as always, to do unpackaging just to see how the packaged and shipped my product. And you can already see that, you know, they do the same good thing with wrapping it in this plastic, which I think they do that to protect it from the rain and moisture. And then if you can see, they have these plastic corner protectors to protect the structural integrity of this box, which I think is another nice touch by Show.ZStore. So now I'm going to try to see if there's a easier way to open it without having to take all of those off. And let's see, let's get this back. I don't think I did a good job of the back there. Okay, now let's take a look inside what I got. And this is the exciting part. Let's get rid of this box. And this is what I got. I got the Magic Square Ratchet, or Ryu. Interesting name. So here's the front of the box, the back of the box, the nice silhouette of the alt mode, side of the box with Aaron from the character from the Transformer episode Child's Play. The back with the UPC, I mean the other side, the top, and the bottom with some warning. So now let's do an unboxing. Open the top. Let's see what we get in here. I wonder if this is actually upside down. But that's okay. Just want to make sure I get everything in here. Let's see, we get the instructions with these nice bio cards that I like. This one's actually backwards, so let's take a look. Ratchet with the nice artwork. So let's put that one back. And you can see you get some of, you actually get a lot of accessories. So let's see, this time let's kind of open this up and show what you get in terms of accessories. So let's just bring it down here. So in terms of accessories, it's most important here. You get is a handgun. This is different. This is not your standard Autobot gun. This has like some wings on it. You get one of his, I don't know what you call this, but this is some sort of repair thing on his hand to help weld or something. These are kind of funny. These Ratchet, what kind of Autobot actually uses these ratchets? And do Autobots actually have ratchets? Let's see, this looks like another hand accessory. Let's see, oh, you get a different face too. Yeah, that's a nice face with that smile. And you get a lot of hands. Let's see. So you get an open hand, an open right hand, opened left hand, pointing finger. It's like a hand, right grabbing hand, an extending left hand, and a pointing left hand. So those are the accessories you get. And then let's see here. Here's a Ratchet. So you get 3 accessories, so just like Ironhide, and it does not come with anything extra like the transparent flames to attach to his rocket booster. Actually, I don't even remember Ratchet with this accessory. But I think you get this just because it's the same mode as Ratchet, just a different color. But still, nice to have. Would be nice if they had some of those flames you could put on the bottom. And then, yeah, I don't know what you call this, but this is cool, something you need for Ratchet as well. And I just looking at this is a kind of interesting thing I want to point out here with Ratchet, you know, and Ironhide. They don't have the accessory where you take the top off that forms like that extra I don't know what you call it, you know, that piece where this actually attaches to. So I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but because Ratchet, that actually did appear in the cartoon. But this is what we get, and can't complain because this Ratchet actually looks really nice. So some articulation, arms go out that far, you know, these ball joints. Let's see, the arms do go up, they do swivel. The hands, because they're replaceable, they do have a swivel. Let's see, kind of well, yeah, he does have ab crunch. Legs can split. Yes, and this is really what's cool is look at the way these legs go up. That's using that new design where they don't have hip flaps anymore. so that's cool. And then the feet, they do go side to side. Not really an up here. You don't really get an up or a down, do you? Yeah, not much foot articulation other than just the rocker for A stance. I didn't know that. So you can't really bend up and down on the foot. But that's okay. That's okay because all you gotta do is look at this, and this looks really, really nice. So now I'll just put an Autobot sticker and then just have some fun transforming it, and maybe I'll post a video of that one. But here is the Magic Square Ratchet, and after I take some pictures, I have my box, the package. I'm gonna throw this away, but yeah, here it is, Magic Square Ratchet, and all these accessories.